Uniting the ranks. Understanding closing ranks. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, closing ranks. It's a term you might have heard in movies, news, or even in your workplace. So, if you're ready to deepen your understanding of this intriguing expression, let's dive in. Closing ranks originates from a military context where soldiers stand closer together to present a united front, usually in the face of adversity. This physical action has become a metaphor for people coming together in solidarity or agreement, especially to support each other or defend against criticism. In modern usage, closing ranks can be seen in various scenarios. From corporate to social situations, it signifies a group's effort to be cohesive and show unanimous support. When a team closes ranks, it sends a powerful message of unity and strength. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. After the criticism from the media, the company's executives closed ranks to protect its image. The community closed ranks to support the family during the crisis. Despite their differences, the political party closed ranks behind the new policy proposal. I hope this video has shed light on what it means to close ranks, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, it's all about unity and solidarity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.